All Things Collectibles, box 12, the last box in a case of the Ink Archives. Haven't pulled anything spectacular, I don't believe. So we'll actually see if they put anything super in a case, or they just ship the case to Beckett. Got Kim Smith as Drina from Catwoman. Oh, God, why couldn't they put Halle Berry in this thing? Alright, I don't even know who that is, or at least Sharon Stone would have been nice. What is this? No, this is Small Soldiers. Damn, they could have put Kristen Dunst. Gregory Smith. He might have been the main guy in here. Don't know. Oh, Kristen Dunst would have been the one you wanted. Here is Julie Benz from, was it Buffy? She was also on Angel. A couple other shows. I think she's on, what's that show? Dexter now. It's kind of cool one there. Oops, sorry. Camera malfunction. Fourth pack is Gwyneth Walsh as Miss Moore from Smallville. Not a good one, really. Okay. Last pack from Charmed. Billy Drago as Barbas. I remember him on the show. He was actually one of the main characters. He wrote on here, but I don't, so I won't. Whatever that means. But yeah. Thanks for watching.